Obtaining information about Lamine Yamal's favorite food choices and hobbies proves to be quite challenging, as it is not readily accessible to the general public. However, it is widely known that athletes like him have a diverse range of food preferences and engage in various hobbies. These activities may include playing video games, spending quality time with family and friends, as well as participating in other sports or recreational pursuits. If you have any further inquiries,